Hello, this is Hans again. It's about the Hanzo trade and good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So I want to talk about this. This time the Hanzo was not really a Hanzo, it was a Chasfranzo. It was a Chasfranomix trade and the Hanzo trade combined. So it was a Chasfranzo. I tell you why. Look at it. First of all, we broke already the 1 hour BB band. We are at the 4 hour BB band. We have on the 8 hour, which is slightly bent down a little bit here, flip down. We have a signal here, and we are on the daily and we outside of the weekly. Okay, so also here on the HA, we have a flip down BB band. Actually, we can assume that the opening bell move would come down and then the Hanzo would go up. The difference here with this one, it's not really a Hanzo because why? We did not break any of those LTBBs, but we will have a bounce because of that very strong flip up 5-minute BB band and a very strong uptrend. So this is actually a Chasfranzo trade, and let's have a look. Okay, we shortly before the opening bell move, and like we all think that will go down, and the question is how far will it go down? Well, it will go down until the flipped up 5-minute BB band, and you got to watch the mums here. The moment the mum stops flashing red and we are at the BB band, the down move will stop, and I will stop the recording to check that out and to see. I leave it in the real time. I don't speed it up so we all can see what's happening, even though we all were there, but you know. So watch the mums here. When that stops, I stop the recording. Stop. Okay, now look at it. Now we are at 6:09. We have a big wick here of the 5-minute flipped up BB band. Okay. Now this yellow red didn't go any further down because on the 1 hour it did not evolve. The signal did not get stronger. So that little red make not this thing moving even further. If that would be a super here, we would go further down. Also, if that would be a super, we would go further down, but it didn't. So it stopped here and it bounced off the 5-minute flipped up BB band. We have here on the Renko, we have a half Renko already, and the red mom has stopped. So for me, this is the Hanzo. It's also a Chasromanix, also it's a Chasfranzo trade, and let's check this out, how far it goes. I let it run in the real time. There's no reason to speed that up because that video will not be very long. Okay. Only when I think that up trade for the moment, or that up move, or the Chasfranzo move will be stopped, because there will be a bounce again. Because look at this here, we have a flip down 5-minute BP now. We're coming close to the BBs again. So there will be a bounce again, we know that. But I want to see how far that Hanzo trade will go and how many pips it will bring us. All right. So I know already it will give us almost 100 pips. Now look at this here, 699. Now it flickers around a bit, up, down, a little bit, just a little bit. I stop it here. Just a little backward. I stop it. As you can see now, we have, this is still in green, the mums, but we have a blue one here on the HA. The wicks are already starting to form again. We are outside the 8 hour and we are outside the 4 hour. So there will be a bounce again. So I stopped it here at 699 actually, and that gives me 90 pips, and that's all to it. And the rest of the day we knew, because of that strong trend, and that came back here, which is now actually a super daily, and never go against a super daily. We know that also. We are outside the weekly, that there is no signals telling us that we're going down. We actually broke, BT Stew said that later, we broke the new highs, So that means the trend will continue, because when it breaks the highs, we will go further up. We all know that already. Just Van told us this as well. And this is it for me. This was the Hanzo trade, or the Just Hanzo trade, I call it. And it gave 90 pips. And I see you in the room. Wish you a happy pipping trading today, and over and out.